Hello, YouTube. Notice anything different? Tom Dial, a good friend of mine, came over this weekend and we put in the headlights and the marker lights and wired the marker lights. Now, the headlights are dummies. They'll never be used. I just didn't run enough power to run the headlights. But these marker lights have in them LED bulbs that are meant for backup lights. They're focusable. They have a very direct beam forward. I'm hoping there'll be enough to get us around in the pits at night. So what follows is how we did that.
Oh, looks like a car.
Well, that's what Tom said.
This is my fault. This is my fault we're doing this.
Yes.
It looks like a car. That's nice.
Well, it's
Oh, somebody dropped something, Glenn.
Hope they fit. It fits. From here to there, realizing that this hood slides back and forth and pivots. Now the pivot's not so hard, it's the sliding back and forth that's going to be a problem.
what's it slide, 3 or 4 inches?
About 6 inches. So we could put a clamp right there, I guess, and do something like that, or like that. That's why I push it through, try to push it through. It's a pain to try to push it in.
Do you need all that, Glenn?
Probably not.
Well, you're gonna cut it when you get where you're gonna go, or?
Yeah.
And then when you do it the rest of the wire, do you use it on the other, how do you go across? With a new wire?
Yes,
Okay, not with the same wire.
not with the same wire. Let's close that and see what we get.
Oh, sorry, Tom.
And just roll it back from there. Oh, we gotta put it down further. That's all the way back. That's okay. That works. All right.
Ever get along?
So, power comes in on the right. What? Oh, okay. So that's like that. So this goes, oh, perfect. This goes in here like that. Well, I guess we could go up here, wire tie there, and there's a hole there. Oh, we can go right there. Okay, that's good. Wire ties.
Is that white wire coming out for the lights, is that a switch to power line?
Yes. We're going to be able to turn the switch on and see if we got light. Okay, this is on. We're going to test to see if the lights go on. Turn the ignition on and turn the light switch on and see if they light up.
Oh, we got lucky.
We did it right.
Do we have tail lights?
The taillights are on all the time. Whenever you turn the car on, the taillight's on. You can never get penalized for not turning the red light on going down the track.
Very nice. Now, what powers these headlights?
To what?
What powers these headlights?
Nothing. They're dummies. They're never going on.
Oh, gotcha. Now, are these powder coated?
Yeah.
Are they black?
I'll put it black.
What is that, is that dust on them on the, oh,
She doesn't miss a thing, does she?
No. It doesn't like the color code. All right, go in there. Don't make me have to take it out.
so you should have two? Is that what you're looking for, two this
Yeah.
time?
I think it's something like this.
What's wrong with this?
No, there should be chrome and there should be bezel.
Gotcha.
What do you think of my name? A little bit crooked.
We did the best we could.
Well, I like the double connotations.
Yeah. Extra parts.
Ta-da!
All right,
Hey, good job. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It actually is an attractive front end.
Thank you, Tom.
Okay, what do you have to,
Sorry about the turnout.
you have to say your thing. You have to s-
Well, we didn't accomplish what we set out to do, which was clean up the windows for paint. But we did get the lights in front of the car. So I'm gonna call this mission accomplished, and there will be more.
There will be more.